So knowledge is an essential part of wellness. The spirit particle, it's everywhere in the universe.
What are the essential ingredients of wellness? In this month, our Sri Sri Yoga and happiness teacher will reaching out and conducting programs. What is the message that we need to tell the participants and their families to keep them celebrating wellness?
The whole program is their wellness program. Learn something about your body and something about food, something about asana, pranayama, yoga, attitude. How you should take the challenges in life. How not to get stressed, or if you get stressed, how to manage it, how to handle it, how to come out of it. This is knowledge, Without knowledge, there is no wellness. So knowledge is an essential part of wellness. And just having knowledge and not putting it to use is again of no use. So knowledge plus using the practices, continuing the practices, that will ensure wellness. And attentiveness, the attentiveness and observing the thoughts, emotions, and all that, the patterns that you are having. This is part of wellness. Your concepts, your apprehensions, all this needs revisiting time and again. And they all contribute. Your attitude contributes to your wellness. What is your attitude? How do you take things? How resilient you are, how forward you are, how progressive you are. All this comes as part of wellness. And spiritual energy. We call DNT. There is this molecule called DNT, which is called the spirit particle. It's everywhere in the universe. And that is also in us, in our consciousness. Here in India, they give you a tulsi, some basil leaf or some akshat and some flowers as prasad. This is all part of the DNT. The DNT molecules are there, particles are, and that impact the nervous system. It brings energy, it brings light in our system. Scientists have recently spoken about the DNT. It's amazing work of it. This is where spirituality and science unite, where the science is able to see the value of the spirit or consciousness. It's fascinating. A lot of interesting phenomena are there about it.